tired, y'all. Welcome to my channel, Beauty Queen. It's your girl Lita. Today we're gonna be doing 3-in-1, y'all. 3-in-1. You're gonna be doing the makeup, the hair, and the outfit. I don't feel like I want to do any makeup today. And when it's like that, my makeup, if I don't want to do makeup and I do it, you should come back. Yo, do you see the mat right there? The cup? I'm too dark, you can see it, right? But it's right there. Like my own nails, yo. My own nails freaking mess me up right there, yo. I feel like when I go to sleep, I be sweating in my sleep. Because every time I wake up with some kind of mark on me, like a scratch mark. I be scratching myself while I sleep. I don't know, that's some weird shit right there, yo. Maybe I be fighting some demons and shit. I be fighting demons in my sleep, yo. I don't know. Because when I wake up from sleep, like my body be beat up. It's like I be so tired, like, and then I got scratch all on my bodies. Like I be like I'm just like, if you know, when we coming from playing the basketball games or like event in like some kind of fight, that's how I feel. Like really grumpy and like just not in the mood. Like, you know, don't even talk to me. Like that shit. But it's crazy, man. This is the cheap way to do your eyebrow. Like if you don't, I do have the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow thing right here. I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like it. It's like when you used to a product, even if you like level up, you still like, you know, you still got that mentality. You still have that like, you know, behavior, that habits you can't get, you know, get rid of. So I bought all the like high-end products, but I still go back to my beauty supply store, eyebrow pencil. I still go back to my concealer from like beauty supply. Like I just don't like it's high-end, it's good quality, but I feel like being a good makeup artist doesn't depend on how much of a good products you have. Like it doesn't depend on how much of a high-end products you have, if that makes sense. I feel like it's more like basically it's just the skill. If you don't got the skill, you can get all the high-end products and you still look stupid as fuck. Hey, that's my son right here. Go on with it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and do the hair now. I'm just gonna straighten. done with the hair, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit I'm gonna be wearing today. So let me get the outfit.